In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apify to n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable credential setup so you can plug Apify into any of your n8n workflows without repeating setup every time. First, inside n8n, look to the left sidebar and open the Personal section. From there, head into the Credentials tab. This is where n8n securely stores the connections you'll use across workflows. In the top right corner, click Create Credential. Think of this as creating a safe, named connection that you'll select later when building your automations. Next, in the credential type search box, type Apify API. When it appears in the list, select it and click Continue. Choosing the correct credential type matters because n8n will show the exact fields needed for that specific service and apply the right authentication method behind the scenes. Now you'll see the form for the Apify connection. Enter the credentials required for the Apify API, typically including a label so you can recognize this connection later, and your secure token associated with your Apify account. Keep the label clear and descriptive, especially if you plan to manage multiple environments like testing and production. For the token field, paste only the value you trust and store, and avoid exposing it anywhere else. If your team shares this n8n instance, confirm you're creating the credential with the correct visibility so it's available to the right people. When everything looks good, click Save. n8n will securely store the credential for you. With the credential created, you can now use it inside your workflows. When building or editing a workflow, add an Apify-related node, such as one that calls the Apify API or interacts with actors and datasets. In the Node's Credentials dropdown, simply choose the saved Apify credential you just created. That selection links the node to your secure connection instantly, so you don't have to re-enter tokens or copy settings from place to place. This keeps your workflow clean, reduces setup errors, and makes maintenance much easier if you ever need to rotate secrets or rename connections. And that's it. You navigated to Personal, opened Credentials, created a new credential, selected Apify API, entered the required details, saved it, and it's now ready to use across your n8n workflows. If you follow these steps consistently, you'll keep your automations organized, secure, and easy to scale. Thanks for watching, and happy building.